My argument for the existence of God is a design argument that rests on the notion that physical laws are an example of physical information, and information is mathematical in nature, and that reality is inherently mathematical because its parts are related to each other and to the whole. Specified information is information containing a value that can be distinguished from other values in the same category. When specified information is numerical, its value is related to other values in a way that implies membership of an infinite set, because mathematical consistency requires this. The inference I'll present is that if the universe consists of specified information, then the process responsible for this is a free process, rather than a physical mechanism. This inference is rational, because when a subregion of information is specified from within an infinite number of mathematical alternatives, there's an infinite amount of potential information being excluded. Only a process that lacks constraints on what it can exclude is capable of that. We can then ask what kind of process determines information freely, and it's obviously a mind, because only minds have free will. The appeal to a will is also appropriate here, because a will behaves in the same way that information is specified from mathematical alternatives. A will directs a decision process where a potential or a range of possibilities is narrowed down to some actual outcome. So when specified information is observed, an infinite set, of which the information is the output, is implied. But infinite sets are not physical, they're mental. Minds are capable of describing, interpreting, and even manipulating infinite sets, while physical mechanisms aren't capable of any of this. A mass can't be infinitely high, neither can a velocity or a radius, so a physical function can't output physical information in this manner. The information that physical functions act on is bounded and finite, whereas minds are capable of selecting any subregion of information from within an infinity. This function can meaningfully be called design, because a design excludes unwanted information towards some intended purpose. When this design function is argued to exist at the most fundamental level of reality and the highest level of causality, it becomes teleological. Having established those characteristics, we can then support another inference. If information is the output of an infinite set dependent on a function free from physical constraint, then that information is the output of a mind. The big question then is, does the universe consist of specified information? Yes, it does, and as an example, we can take mass-energy equivalence, the famous E equals mc squared relationship. It has mathematically consistent alternatives. There's nothing mathematically impossible or inconsistent with the universe having a mass-energy relationship of E equals mc cubed, or for the energy, mass, and speed of light terms to be raised to any power, even if these things are physically impossible in our universe. The mass-energy equivalence relationship therefore fits the definition of specified information. Hence, the universe consists of specified information, therefore the universe is the output of a mind. This mind fits the definition of God, therefore God exists.